Peugeot partner. It was fault with U1400. We have taken out alternator and changed brand new relay. No, before also I took out connector and measure. It have 12 volt, 11 volt, 12 volt. So it means cable is okay. After we change relay, same problem. Nothing changes. It's coming error like. After I took out this connector and pushed it this inside contact, pushed it together to be better connection, and finished. No more problem. And it was like new, but it was looks like brand new. It was not somebody pushed inside something, some screwdriver or something. It was from factory, some loose connection. And now, after I pushed it more together, is no more error. Before it was all the time. Let's check now. No fault. So if you have on Peugeot, Citroën this fault U1400, I think like that. First what you must do, take multimeter, one to ground, another in this connection, and it must be around 11 volts. If you have volts, try to push contacts together that it's a smaller gap between, and put it back, clear fault codes, and check again what you gonna found. So if it helps for you, like, subscribe, and thanks. See you next time.